Australia is a vast and diverse country located in the Southern Hemisphere. It is the world's sixth largest country by total area and is known for its unique geography, stunning natural landscapes, and a rich cultural tapestry. Here are some key aspects of Australia. Geography. Australia is often referred to as the land down under because it is located in the Southern Hemisphere. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean to the west and the Pacific Ocean to the east. The country consists of 6 states and 2 territories, with varied landscapes that include deserts, rainforests, mountains, and extensive coastlines. 2. Major cities. Australia's major cities include Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, and the capital city, Canberra. Sydney and Melbourne are 2 of the most populous and cosmopolitan cities in the country. 3. Unique wildlife. Australia is renowned for its unique and diverse wildlife. It is the only continent entirely populated by marsupials, and it's home to iconic animals like kangaroos, koalas, wallabies, and the platypus. The country is also famous for its deadly yet fascinating creatures, such as venomous snakes and spiders. 4. Natural landscapes. Australia boasts a wide range of natural wonders. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The country also has vast deserts, including the famous Simpson Desert and the red sand dunes of the outback. 5. Indigenous culture. Australia has a rich indigenous culture dating back over 65,000 years, with hundreds of distinct Aboriginal groups across the continent. These cultures have a deep connection to the land and have left a significant impact on Australian art, music, and spirituality. 6. Cultural diversity. Australia is a multicultural nation with people from all over the world. This diversity is reflected in the country's food, festivals, and cultural events. The country's immigration policies have played a crucial role in shaping this diversity. 7. Economy. Australia has a highly developed economy and is known for its strong financial and banking sector, mining industry, and agricultural production. It is one of the world's leading exporters of natural resources such as iron ore, coal, and gold. 8. Education and healthcare. Australia is renowned for its high-quality education and healthcare systems. Australian universities are respected globally, and the country attracts a significant number of international students. The healthcare system provides universal access to medical services for all citizens and permanent residents. 9. Sports. Australians are passionate about sports, with cricket, rugby, Australian rules football, and soccer being some of the most popular. Australia has a strong sporting tradition, and it often hosts international events such as the Australian Open Atrians and the Sydney to Hobart yacht race. 10. Unique flora. Australia is home to a range of unique plant species, including the eucalyptus tree and the acacia wattley. The country's native flora is adapted to its challenging climate and includes many species found nowhere else on Earth. Australia's combination of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and vibrant cities make it a fascinating and appealing destination for tourists, students, and immigrants alike. It is a country that offers a high quality of life and a unique blend of urban sophistication and untamed wilderness.
Hey there! English Master Academy is one of the best channels that helps you to improve your English. If you've been enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the latest videos and exciting updates.